Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another episode of Jack's Mechanics. Just have a quick video on how to disassemble the pull type clutch. This is a Isuzu Dmax 4JJ1, same for the RA Rodeo models. So basically, when this gearbox is all together, this thrust bearing is actually clipped into the pressure plate. We can see that basically clips into this and it's all locked in together, so really hard to get that out. So the way that you actually get it out, we have this clip down here. So when the car is in the air, you need to come up through this hole and you need to get a pick and basically pull that off there, and you pull that off and then you pry this little rod, pivot rod, basically pry that down and get that out and make it fall into the bell housing. That way that you can happily take this off. You can, at this point, this will all fall out into here, and you can take the gearbox out and the thrust bearing will be still in the clutch pressure plate. When you put it back together at this point like this, and you put the gearbox in the car and it's mounted up, what you want to do, you want to come in here and you'll need to push the thrust bearing into the pressure plate. So you'll go underneath here and you'll push in from this direction and lock that into the pressure plate. And then you need to make sure that it's got nice operation. You can see it's nice and smooth there. We put some copper coat and some grease on here. Just wipe a little bit of that off. You don't want to go too over the top with it, but just make sure it's got some grease and got some nice smooth operation. So that's basically how we do it on this pull style clutch. So I hope this helped some of you guys out, and if it did, please consider giving it a like or subscribing to the channel, and catch you at the next one, guys.